Hello everyone, well Lance Fantasy Gaming is a vlogging series. We'll be talking about projects, what I've been painting, and where I'm at, and what we're going to do after. Sometimes we read comments and so forth, and reply to a lot of you guys' encouraging and also advices as well. Anyhow, subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon Discord, and if you do like it or not. I'm sorry, I'm just kind of blinking out for a little bit due to the fact that lot of crap that's been flowing in my head. I got a new workstation that I'm still tweaking. The cure, the cure, the Elgu wash and cure station, they don't work. And me and my buddy, we're trying to fix it, and we also read a lot of Reddit on it, reviews and stuff. These are like pieces of crap. Once you like unplug it, move it somewhere else, it stop working. And I'm still trying to figure out how to fix it or any part to replace. If not, toss in the trash, I guess. The N7 Max Pro is awesome. We are printing a lot of stuff, and we just went through uh, three uh, 3 kilograms, so that's 9 kilogram resin within a few days. Actually, like within 4 days, we just went through like 9 kilograms of resin. Due to the fact that it prints a lot faster than my M3 Max that I have as well. Almost got the Cobra 3 Max printer until I saw the early bird price of $600. And I also looked at my my Anycubic Cobra 2 Max, and I bought that for about 400 bucks. And all the three is you can do multiple colors filaments. A lot of times I just actually enjoy painting more than, you're not going to get the right color or the texture and stuff on terrains anyways. So I am not going to spend $600 on that printer until it drops down to like 300-400 bucks. I think it's worth that much, and you know, I hope it doesn't have the jamming problem with the nozzle for it. But yeah, it is. It is a pain in the ass to replace, and it is a very delicate once you take the cover off of the head for the filament, then I replace the little plastic doohickey instead of using metal. But yeah, it is lot of those as well. And we painted a lot of stuff, especially a lot of the old D&D stuff I had back in 2016 when I started printing. Sorry, 2018 when I started printing. And we printed this a while ago. Um, some exclusive prints. This is Android 18 um, and Hooter outfit as well. Uh, this took about 2 days to do due to the fact that I was being lazy and watching New Secret Level on Amazon Prime. And I'm going to go watch Shogun on Hulu and see how that thing is. But it came out really good. I'm trying to get the white texture as wet because you can actually do like see-through kind of clothing, and I'm still trying to master that technique. So I was like, why not? Because Hooters does sometimes do wet T-shirt contest as well for bigger portion of the tip and so far. And majority of the skin, everything else is just airbrushed. But the video will be out for this, I believe, sometime in beginning of March. But you'll see the short very soon, probably a week or two. But yeah, we have videos from now all the way to the second week of March right now. And the one thing we changed, we got a advice from Daz to put title and stuff on the video in the beginning and stuff, so people know what it is. So I've been doing that on the March videos now. That have been scheduled, and you'll see that from starting next year March. You'll see the title. That's the reason why I'm not gonna do everything. Replace out to take the video down, replace everything. But at March, you'll see the title video and stuff like that. And later on, I might add more stuff to it. I am not a good video editor, but I'm a good, but I'm really good at doing Photoshop on certain things. Not a lot of things, but yeah, video editing, not my strong suit for some reason. But you know, who knows? That might make it easier editing program. I am not as good as these younger kids when they edit. I'm very slow. When you get older, you get very slow on the way you do things. And you literally just take your time now instead of rushing it and so forth as well. But we have another um, D&D miniatures I'm actually printing right now. We're having an Ashley's game. It's going to be based around Jurassic Park, but in 5e setting, probably the medieval, and on an island somewhere when Ashley does her D&D game. Um, and we are going to be doing a review for D&D Beyond as well. I started using it. Uh, there are um, um, there are things I do like, and certain things I don't like. We will be doing Path of Exile review as well. Path of Exile 2, we'll do a review for that. My friend's book for vlog, that's going to be coming up for his book. If you guys want to support a veteran, we went to tech school together, and we've been friends ever since. We were playing D&D after we're done with our little, when we're done with our tech school. And yeah, so he's a disabled vet to also support any services and donate to kids for tot I believe Toys for Tots, stuff like that. We'll be doing our donation this month as well. But yeah, check out his books. It's a fantasy book. I'm not done with it. Once we're done with it, we'll do a podcast setting around his book and talk more about that as well. Problem with these weekly vlogs, is that I want to just show you with my camera and outside of my little miniature room and just start looking and talking and me working, cleaning stuff. Um, just the vlogging series, I do like to talk. Problem is, I don't like to talk to myself and only to myself. Uh, but if you guys want to see like a day-to-day life I do on work, how I print stuff and do other things, let me know. Problem is, I'll be using my iPhone, filming it, and the quality is better than the one I have because one I had I bought a while ago, and they started like kind of look a little bit cringy, but what can you really do about it? But we have like a lot of stuff. Like if you were like grew up in the '90s, like me, so I'm 89, I'm 35. I have a lot of like stuff from my childhood till now, and yeah, I have nothing much to do or talk about. But yep. Anyhow, thank you guys. Subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon Discord. Leave me a comment. Give me some questions. Let me answer something for next week's vlog as well. Hey, out. Peace out, guys. Bye.